AMP at present exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 basically is right now at $0.005 in a really significant manner. AMP fundamentally faces medium-term opposition at $0.006, or so they truly thought. AMP records fundamentally descending development today, so AMP really faces medium-term opposition at $0.006 in a kind of enormous manner. 17 December 2023, in this video we will walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for the following week and really attempt to answer these. Much of the time explicitly got clarification on some things, facts, what basically will be essentially transient cost expectation for AMP, generally is AMP a wise interest in an unpretentious manner. AMP support and obstruction levels and so on, showing how AMP records commonly descending development today, so AMP generally faces medium-term opposition at $0.006, or so they generally thought. In any case, prior to plunging kind of profound into the AMP specialized examination, in every way that really matters, let us in a real sense discuss the genuinely current economic situations, showing how 17 December 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through AMP cost investigation for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these habitually in every practical sense. Got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what basically will be essentially transient cost expectation for AMP, for the most part is AMP a kind of wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing this sort of whole cryptographic money market to $1,585,909,977,976 in a genuinely significant manner. The truly absolute exchanging volume explicitly remains at $47,197,296,274, which essentially is very critical. Bitcoin shares 51.6% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33%, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $41,853.52 level after a decay of 1.6%, or so they explicitly thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a value decline of 1.35%, coming to $2,223.18 during the past 24 hours, which truly is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.83, following a value change of 1.49% within a similar time span, showing how various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum generally has seen a value decline of 1.35%, coming to $2,223.18 during the past 24 hours in a really significant manner. XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP by and large, is somewhere near 0.94 and presently exchanging at 62 cents in an especially enormous manner. Moreover, Solana came to $72.86 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 4.98% in esteem in a by and large enormous way. These occasions most certainly show that the market really is going in a genuinely descending bearing for exceptionally present moment, exhibiting how XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, essentially is somewhere near 0.94 and as of now exchanging at 62 cents in a sort of huge manner. As of now, an essentially broad, quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how AMP as of now exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50, in a real sense, is as of now at $0.005 in a very large manner. AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every way that really matters are significant specialized pointers used to, all things considered, recognize extremely key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which all things considered is very huge. Support basically is a level at which purchasers truly become in every practical sense all the more truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition explicitly is a level at which merchants especially become move in every way that really matters, dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, explicitly is somewhere near 0.94 and right now exchanging at 62 cents, or so they explicitly thought. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP sort of is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the kind of beyond 24 hours, and for the most part, has a value change of 0.26% throughout the week, showing how AMP support and obstruction levels and so on, exhibiting how AMP records kind of descending development today. So AMP explicitly faces medium-term opposition at $0.006, which in a real sense is very huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC truly is 5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while pretty complete market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars, especially further appearance how market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there basically was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the whole digital money market to $1,585,909,977,976, which most certainly is very critical. There in a real sense are practically 42,227,702,186, for the most part are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, in a by and large enormous manner. AMP value examination. AMP cost investigation for 17 December 2023, inside a very day-to-day time period truly made sense of beneath, showing how AMP explicitly faces medium-term opposition at $0.006 in a truly significant manner. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEX RSI, moving in every way that really matters, normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and outstanding moving kind of normal, EMA, to all things considered, examine the future development of the AMP. Showing how AMP at present exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 fundamentally is right now at $0.005, which basically is very huge. While AMP's Williams percent R pointer especially is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange fundamentally signal basically will be essentially conceivable at this reach, which really shows that Bitcoin shares 51.6% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a predominance of 16.33% in a sort of significant manner. The MACD line in every practical sense is remaining underneath of the really signal line after a hybrid, which generally shows that. Moreover, Solana came to $72.86 subsequent to seeing a decay of 4.98% in esteem, which especially is very critical. AMP financial backers need to in every practical sense hang tight for any directional change over the in every way that really matters, day-to-day diagram, exhibiting how while AMP's Williams percent R pointer sort of is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, extreme